Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to change t-shirt colors on Picsart. So first of all, you're gonna choose your picture with a t-shirt on. Probably not the picture that I would choose, but choose something or choose t-shirt more brighter. So in our case, we're gonna add a photo. So this is just only for example, and we're gonna add the photo and we try to make it big as possible, just like this. Alright, and you're gonna click the eraser above right here, and you're gonna click on invert, and you're gonna click on restore, and you're gonna start just putting the lines on the t-shirt, and you're gonna just concentrate on the t-shirt itself, so you can start doing that. So we will get back to you after we finish doing that. We're gonna click the check mark at the top right, and you're gonna see this is the picture. So if you want to click on the blend, and you're gonna see the multiply and color burn and darken and all that, and you're gonna see how much color the color affects on the t-shirt. So, and if you want to go back maybe and just look at some of the adjust settings right here. If you want to look at the hue, if you want to make it like this or make it like that, it's up to you. But in my case, I really like the yeah, I'm gonna get back to the capacity and gonna see right here you can choose the capacity of the color if you want it to be as thick as possible, or if you don't want to. In our case, I'm gonna just look at the blend, and I'm gonna see right here the multiply, color burn, darken, lighten, and I'm gonna just keep it as pink, just like this. So after we finish, you're gonna just click on apply, and basically that's how you change color of the t-shirt. That wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.